Sean, did you see the match that just got announced for Wrestle Dream?
They put King Julian and Shakira back on the mixed gender team.
That's...
Yeah.
Danielson versus Saber.
Dude, I'm so fucking excited.
Dude, that match is gonna go so fucking hard, it's not even funny. Oh shit, Wisconsin scored again.
Let's go.
22-24, baby. Yeah, no, Danielson Saber is gonna go stupid hard.
I can't wait.
Oh, that's gonna be great.
There he is, baby.
Wrestle Dream.
Hard as in Biggest Bird versus Kofi Kingston.
Actually, that's the week after I go to Dynamite, so maybe I'll really get something cool there.
That's the biggest goddamn bird.
This thing goes so hard. I don't know what we heard either, but
We've heard the Biggest Bird.
we've heard that this is the biggest bird. That's the biggest bird.
Okay, we had no intentions for this character, but I just randomly saw in the workplace, hey, nobody would be funny if I just downloaded this, and then we actually used them for some reason.
And that was Beetlejuice too, right? Like, that's how
All
he
these
started.
Alabama fans, damn, they're ugly. Except for the one with the big tits, she's alright.
Don't you just feel gross saying that?
Well, that's not about somebody I respect, so.
It's
All
inbreeding.
these points downs, like, they're not, that's true. Like, they're not down 10. Oh, 8-23.
I'm the biggest bird. Holy
So,
Kingston, okay.
8-23.
How does he pick him up?
Not great field position. 10 points. I'm fucking sweating so hard right now, dude. Quinn has had himself a fucking game, dude.
Yeah. Can't hate on him.
Like, I'm one of the biggest Quinn haters alive as a Texas fan. But he's had himself a fucking game.
Imagine if we had aliens invade the Earth and all they want to do is wrestle in the WWE as a jobber that loses most of their matches.
Against the biggest bird.
Against that biggest bird, yeah. It's a grown man with red all over his body with a bird mask. And his gimmick's the biggest bird.
They just come down to the spaceship and they're like, what do you want to do? You want to fight? Who do you want to fight?
Pass.
The biggest bird you have.
Nice fight. Nice fucking pass, Moro.
Focus is crucial in a match as dangerous as TLC.
Ooh, am the biggest bird. Reassuming control over the ring. Come on, there we go. That's her boy.
He climbed up the ladder that fast.
Poor ladder.
He's a bird. He just slingshotted himself up there.
Nice. Fuck, throw him alright. Dude, if we can get a 3-9 here, I'm not gonna say that because I'm gonna jinx it. Even though I just said it.
Nice.
There'll be some bullshit catch.
Oh, come on, bird.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, bird.
Oh, come on, bird's the word. Come on.
No,
Oh, everybody.
6 QB prospect.
Bird.
Dude, this
people are-
draft is so fucking insane. This quarterback draft at least is so fucking insane. Quinn Ewers is number 6.
Man, what a
Honestly,
blowout
6.
match, dude. Fucking Kofi Kingston beat that bird's fat red ass.
I think
Ooh,
Ewers is third.
really? So what? Caleb Mays
Yeah.
Ewer? I can respect that actually.
I wouldn't see who else, honestly. Like,
Milrow
I think Penix is too old.
Holy shit.
Knicks. Like,
Penix is
who
too
the
old,
fuck
but
would
he's
pick
good.
Knicks?
Nix is a solid 4th rounder.
But, like, Penix is, like, his injury history. Like, why would you
That's
take
fair,
him?
yeah. He's what, like 22 or 23 though?
He's 23, and he's got, like,
23?
he's been hurt, like, every year except last year.
Yeah.
He's good, but, like, I would
That said, last season was really good, but I guess the
Yeah.
injury history is a little. Oh shit.